Hey there, and welcome to the Beach's 24 Thrifty City Trails. If you love travel, adventure, and exploring the world on a budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the beautiful city of Frankfurt, Germany, and I'll show you how to experience this vibrant destination without spending a fortune. So let's get started. Frankfurt am Main. In addition to being a financial hub, this energetic city in central Germany is also a charming, historical, and culturally rich destination that you can enjoy on a budget. I'll show you how to visit Frankfurt on a budget in this guide, covering everything from free or reasonably priced hidden gems to must-see landmarks. Let's start with some quick facts. Frankfurt, officially known as Frankfurt am Main, is located in the state of Hessen. It's the fifth largest city in Germany with a population of about 750,000 people. Despite its modest size, Frankfurt punches above its weight as a global financial hub, home to the European Central Bank and one of the world's largest stock exchanges. Frankfurt has a rich history that dates back to Roman times. During the Holy Roman Empire, it became the city where German kings and emperors were crowned. Its medieval roots still show in parts of the city, despite modern skyscrapers dominating the skyline. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, but has since rebuilt itself into the dynamic modern city we see today, blending the old and new beautifully. First things first, getting around Frankfurt doesn't have to be expensive. The city's public transport system, known as the RMV, is affordable and efficient. A day pass costs around €8, and it covers buses, trams, and trains, giving you unlimited travel across the city. Even better, Frankfurt is very walkable, so you can explore many of the city's top attractions on foot. Now, let's dive into some of the best things to see and do in Frankfurt that are either free or super budget-friendly. Römerberg. Start your journey at Römerberg, the historic heart of Frankfurt. This square is surrounded by beautifully restored half-timbered houses and has been the site of markets, festivals, and coronations for centuries. The best part is completely free to visit and stroll around. Frankfurt Cathedral. Just a short walk away is the Frankfurt Cathedral, or Kaiserdom St. Bartholomew's. While it's free to enter, for a small fee of about €3, you can climb the tower and get panoramic views of the city. It's a great way to see the contrast between medieval and modern Frankfurt. Museumsufer Museum Embankment. Next, head to the Museumsufer or Museum Embankment. While many of the museums charge entry fees, several offer discounted or even free admission on specific days. For example, the Stadel Museum offers free entry on the last Saturday of every month, so be sure to check in advance. Palmengarten. If you're a nature lover, the Palmengarten is a must-visit. For just €7, you can explore one of Europe's largest botanical gardens. It's a peaceful escape from the city, perfect for a leisurely afternoon stroll or a budget-friendly picnic. Eiserner Steg. For stunning views of the Main River, head to the Eiserner Steg, a pedestrian bridge that's completely free to cross. From here, you'll get one of the best views of the Frankfurt skyline, making it a perfect spot for photos, especially around sunset. Go for a walk in the Grünberg Park. If you need a break from the urban landscape, Römerberg Park is the perfect spot. It's one of the largest parks in Frankfurt and entry is free. It's a great place to relax, read a book, or just enjoy the greenery. Now, exploring all these attractions can build up an appetite. Frankfurt has some great budget-friendly food options. For a taste of local cuisine without spending much, head to the city's street markets. Kleinmarkthalle, Frankfurt's indoor market, is an excellent spot to try local favorites like Frankfurter Würstchen or Hankas mit Musik. Grab a bite for just a few euros and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Another affordable way to eat is to pack a picnic. You can pick up fresh produce, bread, and cheese from a local supermarket and enjoy a relaxing meal by the banks of the Main River with views of the city skyline. Affordable day trips from Frankfurt. For just the price of a regional train ticket, around Euro 10-15, you can take day trips to nearby cities like Wiesbaden or Mainz. Both cities are steeped in history and offer plenty to see and do, from exploring old Roman ruins in Mainz to soaking up the charm of Wiesbaden's historic spa town atmosphere. So there you have it. A budget-friendly way to explore the best of Frankfurt, from its rich history to its stunning skyline and lush parks. With so much to offer at little to no cost, Frankfurt is a perfect destination for travelers looking to make the most of their time without spending too much. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Thrifty City Trails. Until next time, safe travels everyone.